Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another teak wood golden painted bed design, and this one is without storage with two nightstands. I've shown you so many designs of bed already. You saw almost 550 videos we are close to, and a number of designs with storage, without storage, with high headboard, lower design, in different paints, different colors, polish. This one is an antique gold. And this one is also a quite nice design in beds. And as I mentioned, this one is without storage. When we talk about storage, is the middle area, and we can store something. We can have a box in the middle. But if we don't require any storage, something like this is created. Generally, in a bed, we have a back and a front that is also elevated, but this one is quite open design from the front. So when you place the mattresses here, you get three sides open to climb down from the bed. The nightstands we have with this one are quite nice big. This is 24 inches, the height is 24 inches, and the width is 16, and it has got nice four drawers. So nice storage area with four drawers. This one is going to Bangalore, and the color, the fabric, and the design is altogether the client's choice. Storage and without storage also matters. Now, if you look at the front part, here we have quite an elevation here. The front is quite open. Now, if we have to make this one with storage, then we have to close this area. So we'll get some design in the front, and then the front part would be closed. Once the mattress is placed, this one is ready for use. This is standard India king size, 72 by 78 inches mattress area, and the height of the mattress for this one would be 8 inches. Thickness of the mattress you can let us know. Accordingly we will adjust the frame so you can have an optimum height for sitting. Too high or too low is not comfortable, so accordingly we will make it as per your requirement. The colors, the fabric at the back, again is your choice. If you are looking for some other color, we can make that. If you want it in queen size or you want it in super king size, that can also be done. We customize the furniture as per your requirement and your choice. We do not push anything from our side. It's not that we have this ready and I can give you this only. What you want, we try and make that, whichever thing is technically possible. The designs, if you want to see more designs, you can visit our website arsonwoods.com. There are so many designs in actual photos and videos, and whichever you like, we can make that for you. We deliver entire India. Outside India also, we are delivering to most of the places. And if you have any query about the prices, about the working, about the design, you can contact us and we'll be happy to discuss that. This is done by hand. We make handcrafted units. All the carving that you see is done by hand. And this is the quality we have been making and exporting across the globe and entire India also. I would really appreciate if you can drop in a few comments, let us know how we did, how the unit is, how you like it, or you want some changes, you want some, you have some suggestions. We'll be most happy to hear from you. Thank you so much.